Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 13D, the challenge question. So we have this integral which we are not given the bounds, and we want to find the value of k. So in this case, we want to find the values of the limits, and we first start by integrating 3x plus 2 over 8, and then we can substitute the limits and use the value of 7 to form an equation. By solving the equation, we'll find the values of k, or the value of k. So we first integrate 3x plus 2 over 8. First of all, let me mention this because I think I haven't mentioned this in previous videos because we didn't have such examples. So one of the properties of integrals is that if we have a constant, so because here 3x plus 2 over 8 is essentially equal to 3x plus 2, 1 over 8 times 3x plus 2, right? So 1 over 8 is a constant that affects both of them, basically. So if we have such constants in integrations, we can always take them out of the integral, and that doesn't change anything. So that often simplifies the calculations. So we can rewrite the integral as 1 over 8. So this is now outside of the integral, and basically what happens is that once we find the integral, then we multiply the solution by 1 over 8. So we have 1 over 8, the integral of 3x plus 2 dx is equal to 7. Okay, now let's integrate. So as you can see, if you want to integrate this, we have 1 over 8 bracket, so we can now integrate. So 3x integrates to 3 over 2x squared, and 2 integrates to 2x. And as you can see, this is simpler in comparison to the case of having 8 is equal to 7, and the limits are 3k and k. Okay, so at this point, we can then substitute the limits and also multiply both sides by 8. That's one possible option, because we can multiply both sides by 8, so that makes the calculations easier. So we first multiply both sides by 8, and we'll get 56. All right, now it's about substitution. So we have 3 over 2, so 3k squared, which is 9k squared. Then 3k substituted into 2x is 6k. And this minus, now we substitute k. So 3 over 2k squared plus 2k is equal to 56. And now we just have a quadratic, so we just need to solve this. So we have, by the way, here 3 over 2 times 9 is 27 over 2. So 27 over 2k squared plus 6k minus 3 over 2k squared minus 2k is equal to 56. And 27 minus 3 is 24 over 2, which is equal to 12k squared. 6k minus 2k is 4k, and then minus 56 is equal to 0. So, okay, I'm just going to use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So one solution is positive 2, and the other one is minus is equal to minus 7 over 3. Okay, but remember that the value of k is positive, so the only solution is equal to positive 2. So that's the only solution. So yeah, when you see questions like this, normally you can just integrate, and then by substituting the limits, you can form an equation and then solve that.